Hello everybody, I'm Russell and welcome to a two-part video where I'll be showing you how to uninstall and then how to install your graphics card. Let's get started. First thing you're going to need is, a Phillips head screwdriver. Second thing you're going to need are fingers and at least one posable thumb. And finally, the third thing you're going to need are corn dogs. Alright, so first you're going to want to unscrew these screws on the back of your case that hold up the side panel of your case. You want to take off the side panel that is, hold on here, adjacent from your I/O shield, so not the one closest but the one farthest away. And you're probably just going to want to pop that off like so. Put that over to the side. And now we have a clear view of the innards of your computer. Alright, so next we're going to need your Phillips head screwdriver, and we're going to go into your case next to our graphics card, and right here where it comes out of the case on the other side, you'll see that you have a screw right here. Now you want to unscrew that. Don't lose a screw. Alright, now we have that unscrewed. Next, you're going to see that you have a PCIe, it says PCIe on it, connected to the end of your graphics card. This is your power. So you want to pull that out. There's a little clip on the back that you push in on this side, and you can pop it out. You see that there's a little blue tab here. You're going to want to hold your graphics card up and press that blue tab in. You hear it pop, and then you should be able to just pop your graphics card out. There we go. There's your graphics card. Alright, for part 2 of this video, we'll be showing you how to install your graphics card. I have mine right here. GeForce GT 740. Cute little graphics card. Now, you're going to see that you have a slot in your computer. This is called your PCIe slot. It runs along here. Mine's blue, yours might not be blue, but it's nice and long. Usually it's the top one, and it might have one of these clip things on the end. So if you see that, then you know what it is. Now, you're going to take your graphics card. You would think it would install this way with this facing up, but no, it actually installs this way with your I/O facing the back of your computer. So it installs like this. You just put it into your PCI slot, give a little bit of force, goes in there, and that tab on the back, if you have one, you want to clip that. So until you hear it click. Then you should have a little screw and a Phillips head screwdriver like we did earlier. And now you're going to want to have your screwdriver and a screw. You're going to see a little hole about midway through. Put the screw in, screw it on. That's nice and tight. There we go. You can see here that this is your port that you want to plug your power into. Mine has 1, 2, 3 little port things on it. So that's has 6. So here's your cord. It has 6 on it. If your graphics card has 8 and you want to attach this onto the end, so then you take the thing that it'll have a little clip on the bottom of it, like this one does right here. You plug that in like so until you hear it click. There you go. Now you're ready to game. Thank you for watching my video, and leave a like and a comment and subscribe if you want to see more. And yeah, nice pretty. Oh.